Hello, what's your name?
Hi. My name is Pedrito Parker.
What are you doing?
I'm dressing a poster of community service.
What is that?
Well, I choose the topic animal shelters.
Why?
Because I think it's important for the community.
Where do you get information?
I get information by internet and books.
How can I help?
Adopting an animal.
Okay. Can you tell me more about it?
Sure. Cruelty to animals, also called animal abuse or animal neglect, is the infliction of suffering or harm upon non-human animals, for purposes other than self-defense. In Mexico, there are little to no animal cruelty laws. However, it has been suggested that animal cruelty laws are slowly being implemented. Hey baby, it's time to go home.
Okay, Dad. Sorry, Pedrito. I have to go home. Goodbye.
Goodbye.